You can teach improvisation through games? Of course you can! That is something that has come up recently in my studio, and I wanted to show you a quick and easy way to play games in your piano studio while teaching improvisation to your students. So let's get started. First, I want to show you this card from the first level of the collection of games called Music Spelling Bee. This one reviews piano keys, and you can see that 3 piano keys are colored in. The beginning piano student who is working on their piano keys will identify what these 3 piano keys are, and in this case, B, E, E. So they spell the word B. What you would do is have your student identify these keys, tell you what the word is, and then the very first time that you're teaching that student how to improvise, you could demonstrate something very easy on your piano. In this case, it could be just as easy as having the student play B, E, E, all the way up the piano. B, E, E, B, E, E. Or they could get creative and maybe they want to press the damper pedal and play B, So improvisation doesn't have to be tricky. It can actually be a very easy exercise that you can incorporate seamlessly into your piano lessons. If your student is reading comfortably in middle C position, this would be the set that you could choose for that student. And in this case, they're reading notes on the staff, and this card spells the word ace. This gives us opportunity to add a left-hand note. So for example, they might want to play A and then C and E together. Use the pedal and create something like that. Or they may just want to do an A minor arpeggio with a pedal. Or they might want to do something that is a little bit more abstract. Maybe they play an A here, maybe a C here, and an E in the middle. Improvisation doesn't have to be hard and scary. It can be just as easy as doing this. Here is one more card that I'm going to show you today. This is a card from the ledger line set, the treble clef ledger line set. And in this case, the word spells A-G-E-D, aged. So this gives us the opportunity to play some intervals like A and G together, E and D together, which could be really beautiful. In this case, if I use a G as our bass note, then I could play something like this. Just a beautiful little improvisation using the letters of the word aged from this Music Spelling Bee card. So that is how you can use all of the games in the Music Spelling Bee series to teach your students how to improvise in a very easy, fun, and safe way so that they don't feel intimidated by the process of making up music on the spot. This is a great way to give them some guidance, to give them some boundaries for the students who feel more comfortable inside of the boundaries like I always did when I was a child. And it gives the students a way to express themselves musically in a way that they may never have done before.